in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Having 12 members present, ang chair declares a quorum. Once again, good morning. For the order of business, may I request our Assistant Majority Floor Leader, Honorable Lau.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good morning, everybody. In the absence of our Majority Floor Leader, Attorney Mars Tapayan, as Assistant, I'll take his place, Madam Chair.
Yes.
So we'll proceed to number 4, people hours. We don't have any visitors, so we'll proceed to number 5, approval of agenda for the day. Madam Chair, we have 3 insertions. That is first, a resolution approving the run after contribution evaders campaign in Osami City by the Social Service Securities System from July 21, 2025 to September 31 of 2025. The second insertion is the resolution approving the celebration of the 30th anniversary by the Philippine Port Authority on July 28 of 2025 at the PMO Osami's Passenger Terminal Building. And the third resolution, a resolution approving the conduct of the 2025 National Immigration Survey by the Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA, from August 4 of 2025 to September 5 of 2025 in Barangay Bañadero, Barangay Mulikay, Barangay Tinago, Barangay Calabayan, and Barangay Kapukaw, P. Madam Chair. In this connection, Madam Chair, I move for the approval of the agenda for today.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Leader. There's a motion for the approval of our agenda for today with 3 inclusions as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We'll proceed to number 6, approval of the minutes of the previous sessions. That is the regular and special sessions of June 24, June 26, and June 27 of 2025. Everybody has a copy of these resolutions, and I presume that everybody has read or go over the said minutes of the resolution. And is there any remarks or comments concerning those resolutions, minutes of the resolutions? If none, I move for the approval of the minutes of the previous sessions on June of regular and special session on June 24, June 26, and June 27 of 2025.
There is a motion for the approval of our minutes of the previous sessions as being dated, stated and dated June 24, 26, and 27 regular and special sessions. Is there any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the approval of the minutes of our previous sessions. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We'll proceed to number 7. First reading references of business of letter A, proposed ordinance, none. B, proposed resolution, none. We'll proceed to letter C, petition or request for first reading. We have number 1, 2025 supplemental budget, number 01 of Barangay Gingona in the amount of 500,000. Second, supplemental budget, number 001 of Barangay Baybay Santa Cruz in the amount of 500,000. Madam Chair, I would refer this matter to the chair of committee chair of Barangay Affairs, Councilor Carlo Moralion, for comments, Madam Chair.
The Honorable Carlo Moralion is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass the 2025 supplemental budget number 1 of Barangay Ginguna. Amount of 500,000. 2025 supplemental budget number 1 of Barangay Baybay San Roque, 500,000. 2025 annual budget of Barangay Carmen. Annual budget, Madam Chair, passing for first reading with distribution. Supplemental budget.
Item number 6, approval of the
Number
minutes.
4.
To supplemental budget of Ginguna and Baybay San Roque for first reading with reservation.
Okay, Honorable Moralion, you have moved for the approval on first reading for items number 1 and number 2. Letter C, motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Move for second and final reading, reviewing the internal rules, Madam Chair. Thank you.
For items number 1 and 2, it has been moved by the Honorable Moralion to approve this on the second and final reading, reviewing the internal rules. Any comment, remarks, hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We'll proceed to number 3. 2025 annual budget of Barangay Carmen in the amount of 9,610,427. I would refer this matter, Madam Chair, to Chairman, the Committee Chair of Barangay Affairs, Councilor Carlo Moralion, for appropriate action, Madam Chair.
Honorable Carlo Moralion, you are now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion on item number 3 on the petitions or requests. Item number 3.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass the 2025 annual budget of Barangay Carmen amount of 9,610,427 for first reading with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I consider the urgency and necessity of the said 2025 annual budget of Barangay Carmen, passing for second and final reading, leaving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, Honorable Moralion is passing this 2025 annual budget of Barangay Carmen on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks, hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We'll proceed to number 4. Barangay Tinago, Ordinance Number 004-2024, an ordinance establishing, institutionalizing the Barangay Civil Defense Unit, a disaster and risk reduction volunteers in every purok of Barangay Tinago, Sami City, Misamis Occidental. Madam Chair, I would refer this matter to the Committee on Laws and Style under the chairmanship of Councilor Attorney Mars Tapayan, and to the Barangay Committee on Barangay Affairs under Councilor Carlo Moralion for appropriate action, Madam Chair.
Honorable Carlo Moralion, you are now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion on item number 4. Item number 4.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to pass an ordinance number 4, 2024, an ordinance establishing and institutionalizing the Barangay Civil Defense Unit, disaster and risk reduction volunteers in every purok of Barangay Tinago, Sami City, Misamis Occidental. For first reading only, Madam Chair.
Item number 4, moved by Honorable Moralion. First reading with reservations. Motion approved. Are you referring this to the appropriate?
This ordinance, Madam Chair, refer to the appropriate committee.
You are referring this to the appropriate Committee on Barangay Affairs and the Committee on Laws. Noted.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We'll proceed to letter D, messages and communications. Number 1, Commission on Audit Circular Number 2025-003 dated January 28 of 2025 with subject guidelines on the conduct of training, briefing, seminars, or workshop on policy issuances, accounting, auditing, rules and regulations and related services for all government personnel. Madam Chair, we just this communication will just be duly noted in the records of the City Council, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Before we proceed, we would like to acknowledge the arrival of Honorable Duhay Longson. Noted. Yes, continue. That's for messages communications, item number 1.
Yes, number 1.
Be just duly noted.
Be just be noted.
Item
Thank you,
number 2.
Madam Chair. We'll proceed to number 2. Resolution from Ombudsman dated July 1 of 2024, dismissing the case for violation of Section 3E of Republic Act number 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, filed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Lois S. Ramos against respondents, namely Attorney Sam Norman Gofuentes, then the City Administrator, SP members, Daniel Chualao, Marcelian Cuevas Tapayan, Jan Pamaylaon, Dr. and Dasil Homoad Texon, Executive Assistants. Number 4, we'll just have this resolution, Madam Chair, be noted in the Council's record, Madam Chair.
Item number 4 on messages and communications, be just duly noted.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Under number 3, a letter dated July 7 of 2025 from Eleuterio V. Abocay, a resident of Barangay San Antonio, Sami City, with subject appeal for humanitarian stay of demolition. Actually, this matter, Madam Chair, we have already conducted an investigation concerning this matter last year. In fact, we have been inviting people from DNR and other government agencies, and it has been determined by DNR that the property involved in San Antonio were considered as timberland. But in this case, Madam Chair, the party who is sending this letter, Eleuterio B. Abocay, requested that from the City Council to temporary stay or moratorium enforcement of the demolition. Actually, Madam Chair, if we look at this letter, there was already a final decision made by the court, and a writ of execution has been issued, and in my personal opinion, it's beyond our control. So it's up to the proper agency like the DNR to do something about this matter, but in my personal opinion, it is beyond our control.
Okay. Thank you, Honorable Lau, for your comments.
We'll just have this letter noted.
Okay. On item number 3, presented by Honorable Lau, for his reason behind it, be just duly noted.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We'll proceed to letter number 4, quarterly report on real property assessment, duly submitted by the Office of the City Assessors as of June 30, 2025. If anybody wants to peruse on this report, we have a copy in the Office of Secretary of the Sangguniang. We'll just have this quarterly report, Madam Chair, as noted in the record with City Council.
Okay. Item number 4, be just be duly noted.
Okay, Madam Chair. Letter 8, committee report submitted, none. Number 9, calendar of business, letter A, unfinished business, none. B, business for the day, for second reading, none. We'll proceed to unassigned business. We have three insertion, Madam Chair. Number one insertion is a resolution approving the run after contribution evaders campaign in Sami City by the Social Security System, SSS, from July 1st of 2025 to September 31 of 2025. Madam Chair, I would refer this matter to Committee on Social Services under Councilor Sani Waminal for appropriate action, Madam Chair.
Social Services? Committee on Social Services is
I'm sorry, Madam Chair.
Honorable
Madam Chair.
Honorable Lim.
Madam Chair, I'm sorry.
Oh, Social Services,
The-
Honorable
the-
Lorly. Honorable Cypress is now.
Actually, I would ask for apology, Madam Chair. I make the wrong. It's the committee of the social services under the committee of Lorly Fuentes, Madam Chair.
Honorable
Cypress,
Lorly Cypress is now recognized for the appropriate motion, please.
I would like to pass a resolution approving the Run After Contribution Evaders campaign in Uzami City by the Social Security System, SSS, from July 21, 2025 to September 31, 2025 for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading reservations. Motion approved.
Due to the need of this resolution, I would like to pass this on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, Honorable Cypress is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We'll proceed to second resolution. That is a resolution approving the celebration of the 30th anniversary by the Philippine Ports Authority on July 28 of 2025 at the PMO Osamis Passenger Terminal Building. I would refer this matter, Madam Chair, to the Committee of Public Utilities under Councilor Archie Romero for appropriate action, Madam Chair.
Honorable Romero is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majid Floor Leader. Madam Chair, I move to pass this letter request, resolution approving the celebration of the 30th anniversary by the Philippine Ports Authority, PPA, on 28 July 2025 at the PMO OMZ Passenger Terminal Building. Passing this for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Since PPA has complied with other conditions and instructions by the LGU, Madam Chair, I move to pass this resolution approving the celebration of the 30th anniversary by the Philippine Ports Authority, or PPA, on 28 July 2025 by the PMO OMZ Passenger Terminal Building. Passing this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Having been passed on the necessary requirements, the Honorable Romero is passing this request resolution approving the celebration of the 30th anniversary of the Philippine Ports Authority on 28th of July 2025 at the PMO Osamis Passenger Terminal Building. Move for its approval on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Third resolution, a resolution approving the conduct of the 2025 National Migration Survey by the Philippine Statistics Authority from August 4 of 2025 to September 5 of 2025 in Barangay Banyadero, Barangay Mulikay, Barangay Tinago, Barangay Calabayan, and Barangay Kapukaw P. Madam Chair, I would refer this matter to the committee chair of Barangay Affairs, Councilor Carlo Moralion, for appropriate action, Madam Chair.
The Honorable John Carlo Moralion is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move pass a resolution approving the conduct of the 2025 National Migration Survey by the Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA, from August 4, 2025 to September 5, 2025 in the Barangay Bañadero, Barangay Mulikay, Barangay Tinago, Barangay Calabayan, and Barangay Kapukaw-Pi. For first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
For the interest of public service and para sa kanunay, asinso samis, move to pass for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Move for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Number 10, business for third reading, none. We'll proceed to 11, PCL matters. I would refer this matter, Madam Chair, to Councilor Dinky Suiso for on this matter, Madam Chair.
Honorable Suiso, our birthday celebrator, you have the floor now on PCL matters.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For PCL matters, none as of the moment.
Noted.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We proceed to number 12, SK matters. I will refer this matter to John Phil. The committee chair of SK matters, John Phil, Duhay Lungsod, for appropriate action, Madam Chair.
For SK matters, we may recognize Honorable Duhay Lungsod.
For SK matters, none at this moment, Madam Chair. Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Thank you, noted.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair. We'll proceed to number 13, ABC matters. I would refer this matter to Councilor Carlo Moralion,
Honorable
the committee chair for Barangay Affairs.
Honorable Giancarlo Moralion for Barangay Affairs, you are now recognized by the chair. ABC.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For ABC matters, for information, all barangay captains are on leave on 18 to 22 on July 2025.
For what?
Travel seminar, Madam Chair.
Okay. For
Thank you.
study tour.
Yes,
Okay.
Madam Chair.
Okay, we recognize the travel tour of the barangay officials, barangay captain on July 18 to 22. Mama mga to.
Magplano lagi ko matong Japan. Singapore, Madam Chair.
Okay, see you in Japan. Okay, Honorable.
Magkita-kita lang tayo dito po.
Okay, busy yung in Japan? Okay, noted, Honorable Moralion, of your information.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, proceed to number 14, matters concerning the indigenous people. I would refer this matter to Councilor Dinky Suiso, Madam Chair.
For matters concerning the indigenous people, may we recognize Honorable Suiso, the birthday celebrator.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. For IP matters on the application of Press Cusina on the FCIP, we will going to have it, the memorandum agreement will be approved by on August by this coming July 25, Madam Chair, as per advice from the City Legal Office. After that, the MOA, after endorsing it, we will going to submit it to the region for their approval also. Thank you very much.
Okay, July 25. Okay. Thank you for your information, Honorable Suiso.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Before I proceed to number 15, any announcement or anything?
Madam Chair, if I may.
Yes, Honorable Waminal, you are now
Go ahead.
recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, OIC, Honorable Attorney Lau, honorable members of this Sangguniang Panglungsod. Good morning. For the information of the body, I would like to report that in my capacity as chairperson of the Committee on Agriculture and the Committee on Senior Citizens and Persons with Disability, I have formally requested from the concerned office, specifically addressed to Mr. Carlos S. P1 and Sir Reggie Gomez, the following data and information. 1. For the Committee on Agriculture, I requested the updated number of registered farmers engaged in rice, corn, and other major crops, as well as other relevant data that would help us craft responsive legislation to support our local agricultural sector. I also asked for information on ongoing and planned programs and projects which our committee and the Sangguniang be helped strengthen. Likewise, for the Committee on Senior Citizens and Persons with Disability, I requested the total number of registered senior citizens and PWDs in our locality, disaggregated by barangay and other relevant details, along with information on existing programs, services, and planned initiatives for these sectors. So this data, Madam Chair, will serve as important references in drafting evidence-based policies and ordinances that will truly address the needs of our farmers, senior citizens, and persons with disability. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Waminal, for your vital information. I hope we can provide us, you can furnish us with a copy of your updates on the program on agriculture, programs on the senior citizens, and the PW updates. Thank you, Honorable Waminal, for the good work. Noted.